What's up, guys? Finals are done, so be ready to get videos every day. So let's get it. Today we're taking care of this front lip. So as you can see, I fiberglassed it from the inside, so it's one piece, even though it broke off entirely. And now I'm gonna put body filler over it and basically just sand it down smooth, and then it's gonna get painted. Pretty exciting stuff. Let's get started. All right, guys, what's up? I'm gonna go ahead and mix the body filler. So you just need a tray, preferably without stuff in it. Should be fine. Should be fine. Now I got the Bondo and the hardener. Let's get this stuff open. All right. Oh, hey, look. Comes with some hardener. That's pretty sick. I bought this whole thing. All right. Let's open this up. And you just, oh, this stinks. You just put it down here. Just grab a good amount. Just grab a good chunk. Put it right here at the bottom. Okay. I think that's enough. I don't need much. Well, I'll grab more, just in case. Now what you're gonna wanna do is put your hardener. Let me change these gloves. Not gonna deal with that. Always wear gloves too. Don't want this shit on your hands. Ready for your inspection? Alright, let's put this red cream hardener on there. You don't need much, you just need enough. Man, no one ever told me this shit stinks like hard. I'm just gonna open this, honestly. Oh shit. A lot came out. It's like watery too. I think I have to shake it first. There we go. See how it comes out now? That was weird, it came out watery. Well, now it came out fine. And the light went out. And I might have put a lot of hardener, but go ahead and mix it. When you mix it, you just want to do strides because you don't want air bubbles to get in it. So you just want to keep like mixing it about. This shit stinks though. I'm fine. I'm gonna cut that shit. Alright guys, don't forget eyewear. Be careful. I'm just gonna keep mixing here until just it all gets a good color red. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take it and put it out here. Basically just spread it out over it. Just getting rid of that thing basically. I'm putting it over here too. And you kind of just spread it out and then let it dry. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put a layer of body filler. I took off any excess I didn't need. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it dry. Afterwards, we'll go ahead and just wet sand it. I'll go ahead and flatten that out with like higher grit sandpaper, but the rest will be wet sanded on very high grit, so it just smooths it out and gets ready for paint. And then we'll go ahead and show the painting process. By the way, I think my eye is good. That was very dangerous, but always wear safety. Lesson learned. Alright guys, so for sanding, I got 320 grit, and I also got 400 grit. So the lower grit, 320, is actually just to smooth it out a lot, so it's rougher, basically. And then the 400 grit is not as rough and it's like lighter, so it just basically smooths it out and you'll be able to wet sand it. So black usually stands for wet sanding, and then the other colors are pretty much just dry sanding. But to wet sand, you kind of just spray it down, and always use a block. I purchased this block and it's like nice and smooth up top, and it just gives you a flat surface, so it makes everything flat and it doesn't make like indents where your fingers would be, basically. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wait for that and then just start sanding. Alright guys, just gonna grab the water and basically just spray it all down. I'm only gonna do this side right now because the other side's still drying. And you're just gonna grab your sandpaper. Now this side I'm gonna do the higher 400 grit. I'm just gonna smooth it out, basically, like that. Just wet sand it. And then I'll be back, guys. Cool time lapse. I actually opted for a higher grit sandpaper, and it's 220. There are these cool little pads that you kind of just like wash out and then reuse, but they're pretty strong and they're actually working really well. Alright guys, let's take a look at it. It's actually looking really good and really smooth. So what I do is I pick a plane and I just stick with the plane, and then I switch planes. So basically just to smooth the lines out. Right now it's feeling really smooth, but right here it's not as smooth. But everything else seems to be really, really smooth. Feels really good. I'm actually pretty surprised with this sandpaper, which is kind of weird, but it's working really well. That was a lot of work. So I smoothed it out and it's looking pretty good. I'll go ahead and show you right now. But damn, I'm tired. I'm sweaty. That was some good work.